This is our risk again. We sold have a pretty good chance of some storm tornadoes. Stay weather aware and take cover if you get a warning. And I believe this is tomorrow we could see some damaging winds and possibly some hail and tornadoes, so definitely something to pay attention to. This is day 3, which I believe is Monday. We could see some tornadoes and severe storms, so make sure to keep an eye on that and be ready.